Among the popular right-hand drive cars in Russia, the Toyota Mark II occupies a special place. The first generation of the second Mark, no pun intended, produced in 1977 to 1996, has been well known to compatriots since the early 90s. Subsequent models, 1996, 2000 and 2002, increased the glory of the firstborn as a symbol of healthy conservatism, comfort and reliability at a reasonable price. The rear-wheel drive Mark II still has no European analogs and serves as the basis for luxury models of the company, such as Chaser and Verosa. By the way, there are in the family of his lordship an all-wheel drive offspring. The condescending nickname, Barn, does not fit the Mark II Blythe station wagon. Its rear end logically continues the noble lines of the body. Even the size of the car is difficult to determine by eye. It seems longer than it really is. Behind the wheel you feel more than comfortable. There is everything that warms the driver with good taste. A comfortable seat with a reasonable set of adjustments, traditional climate controls, windows, mirrors and lights, the usual hydro-mechanical, automatic selector with the usual snow and sports modes, and a special aura of a thoroughbred classic Japanese. Kevlar inserts and a floor-mounted accelerator pedal are very neatly inscribed in the interior. Although there are no newfangled traction control or constant ground clearance systems in the basic configuration, the reactions of the car when driving are expected and understandable. Comfortable suspension, adequate reactions on the gas and brake pedals, very pleasant dynamics, even with a small 2-liter engine. All this deserves the kindest words. The back sofa without any adjustments is luxurious for two. It will take 3 passengers without any problems. Wide doorways and large legroom underline the high class of the car. Station wagon implies remarkable cargo capacity. But, by God, the hand does not rise to place unplanned boards or sacks of potatoes on a 2-meter Velair platform. There is room for more solid luggage. Which one? It all depends on the owner. In any case, Mark II is stylish, serious, thorough. And although he does not reach the imperial rank, he is still a nobleman in the 4th generation.